Good morning, this is the National Weather Service in Northern Indiana. It's approximately 6 a.m. Wednesday morning, December 21st, and we just want to get you updated here on the winter storm potential we've been watching for that Thursday night through Saturday period. It looks like a variety of hazards will be impacting our area, and winter storm watches remain in effect for that period. We'll be dealing with flash freeze potential Thursday night, possible blizzard or near blizzard conditions Friday and Friday night, and then continued lake effect snow showers and significant blowing snow into Saturday, and also dangerous wind chills late Thursday night into the weekend that we'll be talking about here. This slide provides an event overview we're expecting in terms of the biggest hazards during this event. Heaviest snow accumulations from late Thursday evening through Friday evening, and our expected snowfall current forecast on the right there, with the heaviest accumulations in the northwest portions of our area and lower accumulations in that 2 to 4, 3 to 6 inch range across the southeast. Most of that snow accumulation south of US 24 is expected Thursday night into Friday morning, while in the north that area of heavier snow, that's expected to be more of a steady, prolonged period of snow throughout most of that Thursday night through Saturday time period as a transition occurs to lake effect snow. Difficult travel with blizzard or near blizzard conditions are expected, with the greatest confidence in that blizzard or near blizzard conditions across far northern Indiana into southern lower Michigan. But we want to still emphasize, even with these lower snowfall amounts in that 2 to 4, 3 to 6 inch range, that type of snow combined with these 50 mile per hour wind gusts can create near blizzard or blizzard conditions. There are still some uncertainties remaining with how quickly and how strong this storm will develop over our area. So there are a range of possible snowfall outcomes here. In the middle graphic here, that's our image we looked at before of our current forecast, the expected snowfall. On the left, we're looking at a low-end scenario of what could happen if this system is a little quicker and moves a little further north of the area with lesser amounts. And on the right is a higher-end scenario if this system digs further south and slower. We could get some of these higher-end amounts. But again, just to emphasize, even with those lower amounts, those stronger winds are of higher confidence, and that combination of snow and wind is going to be very dangerous. What makes this incoming winter storm particularly dangerous is just the multiple threats associated with it. Not just the extreme impacts on travel in terms of snow, blowing snow, and possible blizzard conditions, but also the fact we're getting this Arctic air mass come in, which will give us very cold temperatures. Temperatures throughout much of the late Thursday night into Saturday period will get temperatures back into the single digits and wind chills of 15 to 30 below. And you can see there on the left, that's just our minimum wind chill forecast for Friday, where we could have wind chills as cold as 30 below across northwest Indiana and in that 15 to 25 below range elsewhere. And then just the chart on the right just shows the progression of the wind chills throughout the weekend, with the worst conditions of that 20 to 30 below zero pretty much from the daytime hours on Friday through early Saturday morning. In terms of confidence, our confidence in the timing of this event continues to increase. More for that Thursday night through early Saturday is the most dangerous period. Low to medium confidence in the exact snow amounts, with the highest confidence north of US 6, and the lowest confidence will be heading into that US 24 and southward corridor. But as we mentioned, just keep in mind that regardless of the final snow amounts, all of our areas is likely going to have high impacts from this event due to the dangerous combination of snow and blowing snow and reduced visibilities and the potential for whiteouts. Now, our highest confidence element continues to be the bitterly cold air. We will have wind chills of 10 to 30 below zero for much of that Friday into Saturday period. Now, small changes in the storm track could lead to significant changes in the snowfall totals, so there still is a potential for that snowfall forecast to change. And here's an updated graphical timeline of hazards we're going to be experiencing during the storm. A minor change that we've made here to the forecast this morning was to slightly speed up the timing of that flash freeze with that Arctic front. Now it looks like that could reach into northwest Indiana as early as that early evening hours on Thursday, and that Arctic front will track rapidly eastward across the area Thursday evening into the early overnight, early morning hours on Friday. But otherwise, forecast thinking is fairly similar with that blizzard or near blizzard conditions from early Friday morning through early Saturday morning. That looks like the peak of the event. But blowing snow and lake effect snow showers will continue through Saturday, so very hazardous travel conditions will likely persist through the day Saturday. And keep in mind, with this dangerous strong winds of 50-mile-per-hour gusts and the snow, there's always that potential of scattered power outages. And repeating, it's approximately 6 a.m. Wednesday morning, December 21st. Thanks for having joined us for this briefing. And you want to stay updated on the latest forecast in the next day or two on this potentially very dangerous storm for our area. Today would be a good day to finish any final preparations ahead of this storm that you want to make before it moves in here early Thursday evening into Friday morning. Please stay safe, and if you have any reports for us, winter weather reports during the event, we would definitely appreciate that. Thank you.